Hello there, grade, and welcome to Social Studies for today. Now, before our break, we were looking at cardinal directions and how to read a map. We're going to do a quick review this week on some of the things that we've learned before we move on to our next topic in social studies. So for this activity, we will be labeling the compass rose with the cardinal and intermediate directions. And then we will look at the map. In which direction can you find each picture? And we'll be labeling those on here. So first, let's label the cardinal directions. At the top, we have north. Remember our acronym that we use to remember our cardinal directions are never eat sour worms. So N-E, E is for east. As I'm writing these down, please make sure that you are following along. Never eat sour, S for south. Worms is for west, W, west. Those are our cardinal directions, north, east, south, and west. Now we also have to label our intermediate directions. Remember, when we are doing our intermediate directions, we start with north or south and then add east or west. Please write these along with me. This first one is between north and east, so that is north, east. Second one is between east and south, and we always start with either north or south. So this would be south, east. Next one, we are between west and south. So this is southwest. And finally, between west and north. Start with north, northwest. Pause the video if you need to write out the cardinal directions. Now we're going to have to look at the map and identify where each shape is. I'm going to use this middle point, it's a little larger, as the center. If the center of my compass was right here in the middle. And I can label where each one is, either north, east, south, west, or the intermediate directions. First, we're looking at the triangle. Now, if I'm starting from the middle and going up, that is in the north direction. Go ahead and type in north. Pause the video if you need more time. Our next shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, and that is called a pentagon. Now the pentagon goes straight to the right, and that is in the east direction. Sorry, that went a little crazy. The east direction. So you can write or type in east for number 3. Remember, pause the video if you need more time. Number 4 is the diamond or kite shape. Now this is in between south and west in this direction, so that would be southwest. Write or type that in. And finally, we have a square between north and west. So that would be northwest. Now, if you traveled over vacation, I want you to think, in what direction did you travel? Did you go up north to see your grandparents, maybe in Chicago? Or northwest is more the direction of Chicago. Did you go south to Kentucky or Tennessee? Or maybe Evansville in southern Indiana? Did you go east to Ohio? Think about that and talk to your family about the directions you went to go see family over break. Once you are finished with this activity, you can move on to the next part of today.